electronic surveillance aircraft that can be employed in all theatres. Alongside it are the RAF Lightnings from RAF Marham. And one of the squadrons that flies the new Lightning is the Dambuster Squadron, 617 Squadron. So the links with the past very much there with the RAF Lightnings. They can be deployed to the Prince of Wales aircraft carrier, the new aircraft carriers, the new version of the aircraft carriers. So the Lightning Squadron now a key part of the Royal Navy Strike Force. And then, of course, these need no introduction. Here come the Red Arrows. Coming in behind. And also the Lancaster bomber, one of the most heavily used bombers in the Second World War, an iconic aircraft, the workhorse really of the Royal Air Force during the Second World War.